Alright guys, hi. So I didn't video it, that's my bad, but we did 2 swipes. This one's mine and this one is my daughter's. My daughter's turned out very well. The colors we used are the Apple Barrel Wild Iris, Apple Barrel Bright Blue, the Americana Purple Pizzazz, and we use the Apple Barrel Petunia Purple, and we just used the regular white, and we used the glue wall and Floetrol, and then for the cells we use the coconut oil, which works amazing, as you can see. That's my daughter. Hi, Faith.
Hi.
That's Rob. That's baby. Pardon the mess. And this is, we had paint left over, so I did a pour. And as you can see, it is very celly. And I love the way it turned out, especially that right there. And all these. Alright. And the pour off of it looks pretty cool as well. When they dry, I'll show you another video or a picture, something. Alright, well, that's it. Sorry we didn't show them, but it was my daughter and I. We were a little messy. I will probably be doing another one tomorrow, and that one I will video. Alright guys, have a